Hello, do you know how to order from Walmart and have your groceries delivered or pick them up at the store? If you want them delivered, there's a membership fee of $99 a year. For pickup, there's no charge. So if you have a cell phone, you can download the Walmart app from your either Google Play or whatever you use, Android or iPhone, or you can use your computer. So before you even get started with that, you will need to set up an account. And so you're going to need to think up what you would like your identification, your name to be. So when you log in, you'll have your ID and then your password. And for a good password, make it at least 8 characters long, both uppercase and lowercase letters. Have some numbers in there. Have a star or an exclamation point or some other kind of I don't even know what they're called. I can't remember. It's just blank. Anyway, you know what I'm talking about. And you will need either your checkbook, bank routing number, and your checking account number, or you'll need your debit card or credit card information. And so you'll have your debit card number, and then you'll have the expiration date, and then on the back side of the card is a security code. It's like 3 numbers. And so before you get started, have all that handy written down. And for free pickup at Walmart, you need to purchase at least $35, because they'll charge you like $5 if you haven't bought up to $35. This dog's got to go out. Okay, so here's the Walmart website on my computer, and the app on the phone looks very similar. So you'll want to sign in or hit account, and it will say sign in or create account. So you would touch that. Okay, so I'm signed into my account, and we can go over here. We can go right here to this search bar and just type in milk, M-I-L-K. Okay. And what kind of milk do we want? We'll just take the first one. So we'll add, just click add, and then you can increase the number to 2 or 3. Like that. Okay. Now if you look up here in this top corner, over here on the right, it's already showing if you look here in the right hand corner, it always shows that there's 3 items in our grocery cart at a cost of $8.34. Okay, now maybe we want some bread. Okay, so we'll just type in bread. There we go. And now there's all kinds of bread you can choose from. So we'll just pick some Heiner's bread. So we'll just click add. Now, and then up in the corner, oh wait, I didn't show you. So we just pick Heiner's bread. All right. We added 1 loaf of bread, and up here in this corner, right here, it's going to show you have that I have 4 items in my cart, and for a total of $10.71. Now I'm going to say, what's in my cart anyway? So I'll click on the cart, and okay, I can click here to reserve a time, but I'm not ready for that yet because I haven't done all my grocery shopping. So right here it shows that I have 1 loaf of the Heiner's old-fashioned bread, and I have 3 gallons of milk for $8.34. But I changed my mind. I don't want 3 gallons of milk. I'll just take 1. Okay, so those are, now it shows I have 2 items in my cart. And up here in the corner, it says 2 items for, I can't read it, it's blurry, it's like $5 and something. All right. Let's see. We'll click on that and we'll see. We have some choices down here. We can have milk, cheese, eggs, chips, lunch meat. After it gets to know you, it'll ask you, it'll have these down here. Or up here, it's things that are trending. What a lot of people are searching for today. So we'll just pick peanut butter. And then here's some of the expensive ones. And you can buy any of these. And if you go all the way down, there'll be large cases. If you want to buy a large case of something and have it shipped to your house. Like this one. This one right here is the Laura Scudder's Natural Nutty Peanut Butter, 26 ounces. It is EBT eligible. And there's 3 days shipping on that. It's $5.35. And if you want to add that when we're done checking out with our groceries, we can also have that shipped to us. Okay, so you get the idea on how to order. You can order by department. Right here. So department. Let's see. Let's go with, let's check on the deals. And we'll check on some patio and garden deals. Ooh, see, I like this rug. I can click on options. And the options are I can get a 5x7 or a 6.6 by 9.6 for $59. This one's $24. And here's the colors here that are available. So for $29.97, I can get this rug in a 5 feet by 7 feet. I can check availability right here to see if it's at my store or a store nearby. And if I want to, go. Yeah, it would have to be shipped. These are all shipped. Okay, we'll go back to services. Services, let's check on the pharmacy. Pharmacy, um, we can refill a prescription. Don't look at my prescriptions. Oh, shoot. So you would have to set up a pharmacy access. So it's a four digits, like numbers or letters that would be significant for you. So you'd want to write that down with that as well. And then if they do your prescriptions, you can have them ordered and then pick them up at the same time or delivered. Oops. Okay, we're still signed in. So let's check on steak. Okay, steaks. Because they're out of my fast fixin' steaks, and I've checked every day for 4 days. Oh, they've got it. They've got it. They've got it back in. I'm going to have to go to the store and get my steaks. They're so good. So if I want to, I could just click add. And yeah, you can just go all over their site. If you want socks, you want them to pick you up some socks or deodorant or toilet paper, some light bulbs, dog food, cat food, linens, whatever they carry in the store, they can get for you. And then when you're ready to check out, one item in my cart is currently unavailable, which is the peanut butter. So I'll just remove that. It's completely out of stock. They can't even ship it to me. So if this is okay with me, that this is enough, then right here it says continue to checkout. Continue to checkout. Click that. And because it knows me, these are some things that I buy. It kind of knows the things that I like or that other people are shopping for right now. And they'll ask me if I have any last minute things that I would like to buy. And if not, then I can just click continue. Or if I want to add one of these, I'll just click add. So we'll continue. And now the time is, you decide, do you want delivery from the store? Or, if you have DoorDash and Uber or whatever, you can have that done. So delivery from the store. And this is, if this isn't your store right here, you can click change right here and change what store you want to buy from. Okay? And then you pick what day. So we'll pick tomorrow, and we want it delivered between, I've just got pickup clicked because I don't want to deal with an address. If you want it delivered, you just click delivery and put in your address. And I would like my groceries delivered between 8 and 9. Okay, then continue. Okay, now it wants me to review my order. Now here, before before we completely check out, we can go right here and it says choose substitution preferences. Okay, so I'm going to click on that, and if my fast fixins aren't in the store, I can just leave that and they'll replace it with the best match. Or I can go over here and click on edit, right here, and click edit, and instead of replace with the best match, because I don't want a replacement, I want that one and only that one, I'm going to click don't replace right there. Or I can pick one of these options. I can hit replace with, and I'll take that one. And then I can hit select. Okay, I'll go down to my next item, the bread. Over here, edit the bread. If that bread's not in stock, I hit replace with, and I'll choose Wonder Bread. And then hit select. Okay, let's go down to our next item. We have milk. And I can leave it with replace with best match. Okay, I'll just leave that with replace with best match. And then hit done. Alright. So we chose our substitution preferences. Now we need to do the payment method. Okay, so we can pay with our credit card, or if you want to put like your debit card, if from the bank, you would put that number in here and hit continue, and then it would continue to ask you the expiration date and then what the code is on the back, and continue. Or if you didn't have the money to pay today, you could go through PayPal if you have money in PayPal, or you could borrow money here with Affirm and pay for it over time. And here, they're going to send you, let me see, they're going to send you text messages or emails or both. So you would put your phone number here, and see it's checked green, and right above it here is the save with free delivery, and you can try it free for 30 days, or it's like I said, $99 a year. So you'd put your phone number in, and then after you got that in and you got your bank account information in, you would just, it's going to ask you to at the very bottom on the next screen, let me get this on my phone. I can do it easier on my phone. Now look, my local store app, it shows my Fax Fixins as still being out of stock. So, okay, I'll order something else. So I told it I wanted some meat. Alright, I bought some meat, and my pickup time would be tomorrow between 9 and 10 a.m. If I want to, I can bring my own bags and hand them the bags, and they'll use those. Payment method and everything's all taken care of. And you have to go down to the very last part. Do I want to donate to the Children's Miracle Network? $1 or $2, just leave it. or I can round up to the nearest dollar. Let's see, pickup's free, delivery will be free if you're a member. And so right here it says that the total of my order is $43.39. But they're going to temporarily hold $84.28. That's to make sure that there's enough money in my bank account to pay for it. And it only takes a few days for them to take that off and make it $43.39. And then I would just hit place order, $43.39. And it would automatically send me a text message on my phone and let me know when it was ready to be picked up or that they're delivering it. So, if you have any questions, just leave them in the description box or the comment section. I think almost every store has an app, or you can just type in their name in your website, your whatever browser you use, and then look up your store, and you can tell it to click on that website, and you can search for things that you want to see if they're available, things like that. So download the app onto your phone or go through your website on your computer or laptop. Have an identification that you want to use, an email address that you normally use. You'll need a password, 8 figures long, has to be upper and lowercase letters. You need some numbers in there, and then a starburst or a question mark or something else. It has to have one of those too. And you'll need your debit card information or EBT card information, and the try it free for 30 days, and then go through and you can pick your substitutions or just leave it and let them pick the best substitution. If there's something you don't want substituted, just click don't substitute. And then always at the last, after you're done, after you've checked your cart a million times, you can start on Monday, put the stuff in your cart for Friday, and go in, a million times and put stuff in, take it out, change your mind, blah, blah, blah. But until you go through that whole last page, place my order, nothing's going to happen, okay? Because once you hit place my order, then you're going to get a text message or an email saying that they received your order and how much when your pickup time is or your delivery, it'll be delivered. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I can try to answer them. And it's not hard, but it's just kind of confusing the first couple of times. So, okay, have a great day. Bye.